I wanted to go through and show some pictures of backhoes. This is a black and white picture, and the second one is a Lego. And this one you can see has the loader, and this one you see just the bucket. The loader is cut off. And this one has a very small loader. This is a Rhine brand backhoe. This one you can see is in front of some building, and this one you can see the loader in front. This one you see a very big, this is a very powerful machine right here. You can see the front of the bucket. And this is a picture of a Vancouver. This one is in a parking lot. This is one decorated for Christmas. This is in some flooded area. This is a Caterpillar. It's a very well-known brand. There's a nice picture under a tree. And you can see how big they are compared to the person. Here's a picture of backhoe teeth. They help the backhoes dig into the ground. Case is a very famous company as well. And here's a picture of the shadow or background picture of a backhoe.